The Bonnlo 6000 British Thermal Unit Window Air Conditioner is a powerful unit that efficiently cools spaces up to 250 square feet, making it perfect for bedrooms, small apartments, and offices. Equipped with a convenient multifunction remote control and an easy-to-read LED display, this air conditioner allows for effortless temperature and mode adjustments. The unit is designed for quick and easy installation, fitting windows ranging from 27 to 36 inches wide and at least 13.4 inches high. Its Eco mode optimizes energy consumption, lowering operating costs while maintaining a quiet operation with noise levels as low as 52 decibels. Versatile operating modes including cooling, energy saving, fan, and dehumidification make this air conditioner adaptable to different seasonal needs. With its compact design and user-friendly features, the Bonnlo 6000 British Thermal Unit Window Air Conditioner is an excellent choice for creating a comfortable environment during the summer months.